Hi, I'm Tyler with Ultimate Night Vision. We're here at SHOT Show 2016 in the U.S. Night Vision booth looking at the new IR Defense REAP IR. IR Defense has had a few very successful products, including the IR Hunter, the IR Patrol, the new REAP IR, and they've just released a couple more units. All of those units use CR123 batteries. So one of the issues with thermal devices is that they are high drain devices and they go through a lot of CR123 batteries. So to alleviate this issue, we have designed an external power supply adapter. It's a USB power supply adapter. And what this does is it allows you to run the scope for literally 10 to 20 times longer on an external power than you would on a CR123. It's a very simple design. It's just a drop-in design. There's no modifications that you need to make, but basically what you do is you take the battery cap and you just remove the battery cap, take your CR123 out, put our battery adapter in, you just screw that right in. It screws in to the stock battery compartment, covers the O-ring. It's designed to work with the Patrol, the IR Hunter, the REAP IR, the Patrol X3, all of the thermal devices that IR Defense manufactures. So you take the battery cap off, you take the CR123 out, you apply the battery adapter, just thread it directly on. There's a jack on the end, and basically what you do then is you plug in a power supply cord, and then this plugs into the other end of a USB power supply. This battery, for example, runs the scope for 20 hours. It comes with the kit. It's a $229 kit that'll allow you to run any of these thermal devices all night, literally all night. Not only that, it's rechargeable. So just for example, literally 20 batteries, which you would pay, 20 to, in some cases, $50 for 20 CR123 batteries. Same runtime as the Anchor 10,050 USB battery, which is rechargeable. So it's a huge advantage not only for increased runtime, but also financially. It pays for itself. It's an easy decision that it pays for itself over the long run. But these products are available now. They fit all the current IR Defense products, and check them out on ultimatenightvision.com.